Apple Intelligence not working in your iOS 18.1 and over. So this might be due to several reasons, like, so even if you update your iOS to the latest version, you might not be able to see Apple Intelligence because your iPhone should be at least 15 Pro or more than that. Like if you have iPhone 15 and iPhone 14 series, then you won't be able to get Apple Intelligence. So this is a treachery from the Apple, but this is the truth. Also, if you are in a European region, then you won't be able to get Apple Intelligence as well. Also, if you have set your Apple ID when you were in EU, then you would not get the Apple Intelligence. And these are some of the reasons that's why you are not able to get the Apple Intelligence even after updating your iOS. So I hope now you know exactly why this problem is there. But soon it will be rolled out to all the people out there. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.